Introducing the wireless car air compressor electric tire inflator pump, your ultimate solution for convenient and efficient tire inflation on the go. Specifically designed for versatility and reliability, this wireless and portable air compressor ensures you're always prepared for emergencies or routine maintenance needs. Wireless and portable, say goodbye to cords and batteries with this wireless and portable air compressor. Enjoy the freedom to inflate tires anywhere, without the hassle of tangled cords or searching for power outlets. Electric Tire Inflator Pump. Designed specifically for inflating tires, this pump offers easy and efficient inflation, ensuring your vehicle's tires are always at the optimal pressure for safe driving. Suitable for multiple vehicles, not just limited to car tires, this versatile pump can also inflate motorcycle tires, bicycles, boats, and even sports balls, providing you with all-around convenience for various inflation needs. Key features: wireless and convenient. Enjoy hassle-free inflation with no wires or cords to deal with, making this air compressor easy to use and transport. Versatile, suitable for use with cars, motorcycles, bicycles, boats, and sports balls, offering versatility for all your inflation needs. High quality, crafted with durable materials, this air compressor is built to last and provide reliable service whenever you need it. Efficient, equipped with a powerful motor, this air compressor can quickly inflate tires and other inflatable items, ensuring efficient performance every time. Reasons to buy: electric car air compressor tire inflator. Built-in high-tech motor ensures quick inflation and deflation, providing convenience when you're on the road. Wireless car tire inflator pump. Operate with ease using the wireless car inflator, allowing for one-handed operation and hassle-free inflation and deflation of your vehicle's tires. Experience the convenience and reliability of the wireless car air compressor electric tire inflator pump for all your inflation needs. With its portable and efficient design, you can trust that your tires will always be properly inflated for a safe and smooth ride.